Hi friends, I am Mohammad Yasir. Now we are in the field of potato crop field at 10 4L Saiwal Hadappa. In potato field, most of crops and varieties belong to or import from Holland. These varieties are all from import from Holland. On my back side, you will see here that is called Lady Rosetta. Now, this variety is called Santa. My topic is selected on the early blight. What is early blight? Where it origin and what climates are required in the field. There are two types of early blights. Early blights species called name Alternira solanacea, and second species is called Alternira alternata. In the potato field, this blight is affected by 20% damage up to our crops. But in the first species, in species 1, that is called Alternira solanacea. Second species is called Alternira alternata. That species is most dangerous full for our crops. This fungal is attack on our leaves on the stage of maturity of crops when crop reach up to 55 days mature, and here this damage will reach up to 90% attack and destroy our crops. Now we are showing you the attack of early blight species that is called Alternira alternata. Here the growers is thinking this species is not dangerously, but this is a most dangerous full disease for our potato. Now we are show you the plot where the early blights attack on the stage of fifth category. We are divided basically we are divided our early blight disease into 6 categories. 3 categories are called Alternira solanacea, and 4 category stage are called Alternira alternata, the second species of early blight. Here we show you the 5th category. 4th category will be initial, and 5th category will destroy the leaf of our all crop potatoes leaf. And when this attack reach into the 6th category, this will destroy our tubers. I will show you the 5th category attack of early blights on our potato. Here you look. This attack will reach up to 5 category, and this destroy our stems as well as our leaves fully, and all vegetative growth will be destroyed by Alternira alternata species of early blight. Now we show you the first attack on our crop, that is here. We look, you looking here, the back side of leaf, small spots creating here. Show this spot will show that the early 4th stage of early blight, second species, and this will divert on the upper side of leaf. Here I will show you in the sunlight where transparency Friends, looking here, this is a transparency, and it convert into burning the leaf. Here I will show you the fourth category stage. Now you are look, this crop variety is called Santa. It's a short duration variety, and white potato, or called light yellowish potato colors. But Lady Rosita variety, here last variety will show you, this is variety called red variety of potato. Here I will show the fourth category stage. Now you look, the plant will green, but the leaf will turn into backside from brown. This variety is disease start from the lower side of leaf and converted to upper of the leaf. This is early blight attack, and here all the plant leaves will turn full brownish. And now fourth category stage, the stem will be remain green, but it converted into fifth category, the stem and leaves will to burning. Here I will show in the fifth category attack, we are turning here. Now show it, this will burning. Okay friends, in this field, this attack in the history of potato sowing area of Sahiwal, first time in the history, and we are applying many different applications of fungicide like azoxystrobin, like chlorothalonil, like furtifol, like difenoconazole, like cymoxanil mancozeb, like metalaxyl mancozeb, like dimecomorph plus mancozeb, and all other types of fungicide that will cover to early blight, but this will not under control. So this need precaution spray. If you save your crops on early stage of early blight, that it's help you, your crop output will remain. Now I show you here in the center setting, and out different, one sided fifth stage category stage, and second stage fourth category stage. I will show you the plot now. Here in the field, my left hand this fifth category attack crop, and my right hand it will show you the fourth category of stage of early blight, Alternera solanaceae. This show fifth category first, this fully damaged